Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to the English class. So students, today we are going to cover the last topic of your pre-mid syllabus, that is in your grammar book, and that is adjectives. So let us start. First of all, we are going to do what is the definition of the adjective. Adjective क्या होता है? What is an adjective? Adjective is the describing words. So you have been studying these adjectives since you were in grade 2, and I think in class 5 also we have read a lot about adjectives. So what are adjectives? So basically in one term I can call them as describing words, जो describe करते हैं किसी चीज को. They are known as adjectives. So with the further go, the adjective are the word which tells us more about a noun or a pronoun. In earlier classes, we used to study that the adjectives are the words which tell us more about a noun. Whereas, apart from noun, they also tells us more about a pronoun also. तो adjective ऐसे words होते हैं जो noun और pronoun को modify करते हैं या फिर हमें कुछ और बताते हैं. Adjectives are the words which tells us more about a noun or pronoun, which qualifies noun or pronoun. They are describing words. There are many definitions of an adjective. Okay. For example, Riya is beautiful. Just look at this line, sentence. Riya is beautiful. For finding out adjective, first we have to find out noun. Adjective ढूंढने के लिए we have to find out what is a noun in the sentence. After finding out noun or pronoun, then only we are going to tell what is adjective, because adjectives are the words which tells us more about a noun or pronoun. Noun और pronoun के बारे में ही हमें ज्यादा बताते हैं. ठीक है, तो adjective को find out करने से पहले we should know what is a noun or what is a pronoun. Okay, so Riya is beautiful. What is a noun in it? Yeah, we have read the noun in our last videos. Noun is a name of any person, place or a thing or an idea. So here Riya is noun. Riya is noun. Now adjectives are the word, as I told you, they tell us more about noun. So noun के बारे में हमें कौन सा word ज्यादा बता रहा है? Which is telling the quality of the noun, or which is telling us which word is modifying the noun. Noun को कौन modify कर रहा है? Noun के बारे में कौन अच्छे से बता रहा है? कौन सा word? So here is beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective here because it is telling something more about Riya. Riya के बारे में हमें कौन सा word बता रहा है? Beautiful. That Riya is beautiful. So basically these are the describing words. तो रिया को कौन सा word describe कर रहा है कि रिया कैसी है? Riya beautiful है. Beautiful is the word which is describing Riya. Okay. Let us take another example. She is quite wealthy. She is quite wealthy. Now we have to find out what is an adjective here. So first we have to find out what is a noun or pronoun. What is noun or pronoun here? Here are we having any noun? No. Are we having any pronoun? Yes, we are having a pronoun. What is that? She. She is a pronoun. Yes, we have read in our last video. He, she, it, they, I, my, me. These are pronoun. So she is a pronoun. तो she के बारे में हमें और कौन सा word describe कर रहा है? She is quite wealthy. Wealthy. Wealthy is an adjective. It is an adjective because it is telling something more about this pronoun. It is describing something more about this pronoun. What is the pronoun? She. Okay, understood from these examples. So what is an adjective? Adjective is a what? Describing word. Adjective is a describing word which describes more about a noun or a pronoun, which tells us more about a noun or a pronoun. Now we will learn how these adjectives are formed. Adjectives को कैसे बनाया जाता है? These are formed by adding a suffix. Suffix कुछ भी हो सकता है. What is a suffix? That is a small word, or you can say a small group of letter that is added after a word to then the new word that we get after adding that word. That the group of 2 or 3 letter is known as suffix. ठीक है, किसी suffix. Now we come to types of adjective. Now we have learned what is an adjective. The next topic is type of adjectives. We are having here 6 types of adjectives. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective. So I think these adjectives are, the definition of these adjectives are clear by their name only. For example, adjective of quality. What is quality? किसी चीज की quality क्या होती है? So same here, adjective of quality tells us the quality of a noun. Noun की क्या बताते हैं हमें? Quality. They tell us how is a noun. Noun कैसा है? Okay. And adjective of quantity and adjective of number, they tells us the number or the quantity कि noun कितना है. There is a basic difference in quantity and number that we will discuss when we will study them thoroughly. Then is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, that means to point out at someone. Demonstrate means to point out at someone. So demonstrative adjective point out at a noun. And next one is possessive adjective. Possessive, that means to show possession, to show ownership. So these possessive adjective shows possession on a noun. किसी noun पे अपना ownership दिखाना, that is a possessive adjective. Then the next is interrogative adjective. Simple and I must say simplest kind of type of adjective, that is interrogative adjective, in which a question about a noun is asked. A question about a noun is asked. Okay, now we are going to study them very deeply. So first we are going to take adjective of quality. What is a adjective of quality? We will understand it with the help of few examples. Now let us study the first type of the adjective, that is adjective of quality. As I have told you, adjective of quality tells us the quality of a person or a thing. You can say they tells us about the quality of a noun or a pronoun, कि pronoun या noun कैसा है. Okay, that is quality. We are very much well aware of what is a quality. Like what is your quality? What is my quality? मेरी क्या quality है? That I can teach you. This is my quality. Okay, so the words which tells us about a quality of a noun or a pronoun, they are adjective of quality. Okay, so here is the definition. They tells us about the quality of a person or a thing. They tells us about a quality of a person or a thing. For example, she is a sincere worker. She is a sincere worker. Now we have to find what is an adjective here. Adjective क्या है हमारा? So first we have to find out what is the noun or pronoun given. So she is a sincere worker. Is there any noun here, pronoun here? We have straight away given here a pronoun she. She is a sincere worker. इसमें हमें क्वालिटी किस चीज से पता चल रही है, कि कौन से वर्ड से पता चल रही है? सिंसियर से. ओके, शी को कौन सा वर्ड डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? उसकी क्वालिटी को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है सिंसियर. सो सिंसियर हियर इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ quality. Okay, he was a brave soldier. He is a pronoun again. He is a pronoun again. He was a brave soldier. Soldier. Who is telling the quality of he? He की quality कौन बता रहा है? Brave. Brave is telling quality of he. Brave is telling something more about he. He is telling how is he. He is brave. How is he? He is brave. And next we come to adjective of quantity. This is the second type of adjective, adjective of quantity. adjective of quantity tells us how much a thing is meant. That means how much the noun is meant. For example, I have taken this example, we have sufficient flour. We have sufficient flour. So flour here is our noun or a thing. It is a thing. That is why it is a noun. Okay. So flour here is our noun. Now which telling us how much the flour is? Which telling us, which word is telling us the quantity of a flour? क्वांटिटी कौन बता रहा है फ्लोर की? इट इज द वर्ड सफिशिएंट. सो हियर सफिशिएंट इज आवर एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. सफिशिएंट हियर इज आवर एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. सेम the case is of adjective of number. They also tells us the number or the quantity. Here they are telling us the quantity of a noun. Adjective of numbers, they also tells us the quantity of a noun only. They tells us, to be very prescribed, they tells us according to your book, they tells us the number of a person, place or a whatever the thing is. Okay, so they tells us the number of a noun and they tells us the quantity of a noun. That is the same thing only, but there is a basic thing. The example that we have taken, we have sufficient pens, we have sufficient flour. Here flour is telling us the quantity of a noun. Flour is a noun ना, flour noun है, इसलिए जो sufficient है that will be our adjective of quantity. And here we have sufficient pens. We have sufficient pens. Here pens is also noun. यहाँ pen क्या है? Noun ही है. And here it is telling us about the quantity of pens. So will that sufficient be also the adjective of quantity? क्या ये sufficient भी adjective of quantity होगा? So there is a big no on this question. There is a big no answer to this question. This will not be adjective of quantity. This will be adjective of number. Now you will say how it is an adjective of number? Because there is a minor difference between adjective of quantity and adjective of number. And that is adjective of quantity always used with, it is always describing about uncountable noun. Adjective of quantity हमें बताता है uncountable noun के बारे में, whereas adjective of number tells us about countable noun. Okay, countable noun के बारे में हमें कौन बताएगा? adjective of number. और uncountable noun के बारे में हमें कौन बताएगा? adjective of quantity. Here we have taken pens. No, pen को हम count कर सकते हैं? Yes, we can count the pen like 1, 2, 3, 4. So pens are countable. So we have sufficient pen. According to this, sufficient is telling us about the quantity of the pens. No, pens की कितनी quantity है? But here it will not be treated as quantitative. It is not be treated as adjective of quantity. It will be treated as adjective of number. So adjective of number and adjective of quantity, they are basically as of one thing only, but there is a minor difference. दोनों एक ही चीज बताते हैं. They all दोनों ही noun की quantity के बारे में ही बताते हैं. But here it is telling us about the adjective of adjective of quantity is telling us about countable, uncountable noun. It is telling us about countable noun. We come to demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative adjective? If you remember, I have told you the meaning of demonstrative in our demonstrative pronoun also. When we have learned pronoun, I have told you what is demonstrative. Yes, demonstrative is to point out at something. Okay, so demonstrative adjective, if it is adjective, then it is definitely pointing out a noun. The words which are used to point out at a noun is known as demonstrative adjectives. So they are used to point out at a noun. Noun को point करने के लिए use करते हैं. For example, this marker, दिस इज अ नाउन. सो नाउन को क्या किया मैंने, पॉइंट आउट किया. दिस मार्कर, दैट मीन्स दिस इज अ yes, demonstrative adjective. This apple, that boy, these kind of words, this, that, these, those, they falls under the category of demonstrative adjectives. Okay, this and that is used for singular and these and those are used for plural. That means this marker, that means the marker is one, so I am using this. If the markers would be many, I would have used these markers. Okay, so I think there is a bit confusion between demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronoun. If you remember, I have told these many things in demonstrative pronoun also. So there is a minor difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative adjective always followed by a noun, whereas demonstrative pronoun is not followed by a noun. Demonstrative adjective के आगे हमेशा क्या लगा हुआ होगा, एक noun होगा. Okay, whereas demonstrative pronoun में कभी भी demonstrative word के पीछे कोई noun नहीं लगा होगा. That smells. That smells. That smells means it is creating smell. That smells. अब ये that word क्या है? It is also demonstrative, but ये demonstrative pronoun है या demonstrative adjective है? How to identify? अब देखो, इस that के पीछे कुछ noun लगा हुआ है? No. इस that के पीछे कोई भी noun नहीं आ रहा है. That is not followed by any noun. तो ये that क्या है? It is demonstrative pronoun. Whereas this apple, that boy, let us take this example, that boy, that is a demonstrative word है, तो demonstrative word है. We have to find out ये demonstrative adjective है, ये demonstrative pronoun है. अगर ये हमारा demonstrative adjective है, then इसके आगे एक noun लगा होना चाहिए और इसके आगे एक noun लगा हुआ है. It is followed by a noun. Boy is a noun, no? तो that के आगे अगर noun लगा हुआ है, अगर किसी demonstrative word के आगे एक noun लगा हुआ है, that is a demonstrative adjective. अगर that demonstrative word के आगे कोई noun नहीं लगा है, that is known as demonstrative pronoun. I hope you have clear with the difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. And now we come to possessive adjective. What is a possessive adjective? Possession means to show ownership, to show possession, किसी चीज पे अपना हक दिखाना, that is known as possession. So possessive adjectives क्या होते हैं? That shows possession on a noun. That shows possession on a noun. Noun पे जो अपनी ownership दिखाते हैं, that is possessive adjective. Okay. The words like my, your, his, her, its, our, their, they fall under the category of possessive adjective. For example, this is my dress. This is my dress. ये dress मेरी है. Dress क्या है यहाँ पे? Noun. अब noun पे कौन सा word possession दिखा रहा है? कौन सा word हक दिखा रहा है? My. My से पता चल रहा है ना कि ये dress किसकी है? So my is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective always answer the question whose. Always answer the question whose. When we ask, this is my dress, whose dress is this? This is my dress. Answer is coming my. तो my क्या है? Possessive adjective है. Now the same thing happened here also. Possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. They looks very similar to each other. They look very similar to each other. But here is also the minor difference. And the difference is also same, which we have studied in demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Here also possessive adjective is always followed by a noun, whereas possessive pronoun are not followed by a noun. For example, this is my dress. अब यहाँ पे जो my है, इसके पीछे क्या लगा हुआ है? एक noun लगा हुआ है. इसके पीछे क्या लगा हुआ है? एक noun लगा हुआ है. And in possessive pronoun, noun पीछे नहीं लगा होता. It is not followed by a noun. Let us take this example. इसी को हम थोड़ा सा modify करते हैं. This is my dress. दैट इज हर्स एंड दैट इज हर्स। ये मेरी ड्रेस है और वो उसकी, ठीक है। दिस इज माई ड्रेस, माई तो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन, पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव हो गया, ठीक है। दिस इज हर्स, हर्स क्या है यहाँ पे, पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन है, यहाँ पे पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन है। क्यों पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन है, बिकॉज वन, इट इज रिप्लेसिंग अ नाउन, इट इज रिप्लेसिंग ड्रेस। ये मेरी ड्रेस है, वो उसकी है, उसकी क्या है, उसकी ड्रेस है। दैट मीन्स हर्स इज रिप्लेसिंग अ नाउन, दैट मीन्स हर्स इज रिप्लेसिंग अ ड्रेस, ठीक है। तो एक पॉइंट तो ये हो गया, फॉर वन रीजन इट इज पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन, एंड द सेकेंड वन इज इट इज व्हाट, इट इज शोइंग पोजेशन, इट इज शोइंग पोजेशन। तो पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन क्या होते हैं, वन थिंग दे रिप्लेस अ नाउन एंड दे शो पोजेशन ऑन दैट नाउन, ठीक है। अंडरस्टूड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव एंड पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन। पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव के पीछे दे आर ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय अ noun, whereas these possessive pronouns are not followed by a noun. They usually comes, possessive adjective, they usually comes in the between of the sentence, whereas the possessive pronouns usually comes at the end of a sentence. Okay, clear? And now we come to our last type of adjective, that is known as interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives. So what are interrogative adjectives? Interrogative adjectives are used to ask question about a noun. Noun के बारे में जो words question पूछते हैं, that are interrogative adjectives. So interrogation means to ask question. So interrogative adjectives are the words that are used to ask question about a noun. For example, whose kite is this? इसमें क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है, किसकी काइट है, किसके बारे में क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है, क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है काइट के बारे में। काइट क्या है, नाउन। सो किसके बारे में क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है, हुज काइट, किसकी काइट है। तो किसके बारे में क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है, काइट के बारे में। तो काइट जो है नाउन है, अगर हम नाउन के बारे में जो वर्ड क्वेश्चन पूछता है, इट इज इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव। हुज कार इज दिस, किसके बारे में क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है, कार के बारे में। कार क्या है, नाउन है, एंड जो वर्ड नाउन के बारे में क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव। एंड द सेम थिंग आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन ऑल्सो। प्रोनाउन में भी यही बताया था ना मैंने कि इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन क्या होते हैं, दैट आर यूज्ड टू आस्क क्वेश्चन अबाउट अ नाउन। सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन एंड इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव। तो दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या हुआ, yes, there is a difference, and the difference is the same as the previous two difference. Interrogative adjectives are always followed by a noun, whereas interrogative pronouns are not followed by a noun. Interrogative adjectives में हमें क्या है, interrogative adjectives में उस word के बाद, interrogation word के बाद क्या आएगा, एक noun आएगा। interrogation word के बाद कौन क्या आएगा, एक noun आएगा, whereas इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, ठीक है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन, व्हाट इज द टाइम, व्हाट इज द टाइम। अब इसमें इंटेरोगेशन हमारा क्वेश्चन, इंटेरोगेशन वर्ड कौन सा है, व्हाट। क्या वर्ड के बाद कोई नाउन आया, वर्ड के बाद कोई नाउन आया, नहीं आया। सो इट इज इंटेरोगेटिव pronoun, it is interrogative pronoun. Now suppose you have given one example, कोई भी तुम्हें एग्जाम्पल दिया होता है, ठीक है, तो तुमने आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ये इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन है या इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव है। तो सबसे पहले तो हम क्या सोचेंगे, उसकी डेफिनेशन सोचेंगे। अब दोनों की डेफिनेशन तो सेम ही है कि दोनों ही यूज होते हैं टू आस्क क्वेश्चन अबाउट अ नाउन। अब जो मेजर जो डिफरेंस हमने देखना है, हमने वी हैव टू रीड द सेंटेंस और हमने देखना है जो इंटेरोगेशन वर्ड, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट इंटेरोगेशन वर्ड कौन से होते हैं, हु, व्हाट, विच, हुम, हुज, ये सारे क्या होते हैं, इंटेरोगेशन वर्ड्स होते हैं। अगर तो इंटेरोगेशन वर्ड्स के पीछे नाउन लगा हुआ है, देन डेफिनेटली इट इज अ इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव। अगर इंटेरोगेशन वर्ड के पीछे अगर कोई नाउन नहीं लगा है, देन इट इज इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन। एज इजी ओके, सो इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव और इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन में डिफरेंस क्लियर हो गया आपको. सो वी हैव क्लियर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव एंड डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन, इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव एंड इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन, एंड what possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. अगर दो तीनों में अगर आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन होता है तो आप सबसे पहले क्या देखेंगे कि नाउन अगर जिसके पीछे लगा हुआ है then it is the adjective. If the word is followed by the noun, if the possessive word is followed by a noun, then it is a possessive adjective. If it is the demonstrative word is followed by a noun, it is demonstrative adjective. If the interrogative word is followed by a noun, it is interrogative adjective. So हमारे possessive adjective, possessive words कौन से होते हैं? My, his, hers. अगर इनके पीछे क्या लगा होता है, नाउन लगा होता है, तो ये हमारे क्या हो जाता है, पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव हमारे वर्ड्स कौन से होते हैं, दिस, दैट, दीज, दोस. ये चार हमारे क्या होते हैं, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव वर्ड्स. अगर इन डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव वर्ड्स के पीछे कोई नाउन लगा देन इट इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. अगर इन डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव वर्ड्स के पीछे कोई नाउन नहीं लगा, इट इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. एंड इंटेरोगेटिव वर्ड्स कौन से होते हैं हमारे, नाउ ओनली आई हैव टोल्ड यू, which, whose, what, these. WH family is interrogative words. अगर इन interrogative words के पीछे noun लगा है then it is interrogative adjective. Otherwise these are interrogative pronoun. So here with this interrogative adjective we have cleared the all 6 parts, all the 6 types of your this adjective and its type. Side by side we have recalled the pronoun parts also. Okay, now you have understood what is the difference between pronouns and adjectives. Now you should not be confused between any part of the adjective and any part of the pronoun. Okay, I hope you have understood it.